I'm recording.
I'm gonna go get some big carrots.
Look at the monkey up there, Mama. I'm so cute. Come on. You want to pet it.
I know, but go bite you, honey.
I want to flip him off.
Flip him off.
You
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
Well, you
Ay, 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 ay. Ay, 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 ay.
they're going to grab poop at you.
Ay, 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 ay.
No, actually, they like us, Rachel.
We're giving them food. They're starving.
No, we're not starving. They have to have a diet.
Ay, 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 ay. Nice and cool over here in the shade.
I know. They're lucky.
Ay, 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 ay.
I like the other ones better because they're more funnier and they swing. No, and they put in the
I'll get one.
What?
My except for
Tony, right.
Sierra. And Campbell, right?
Not that I'm here every day.
Oh, it would have been a good story. It would have been a funny story.
Yeah. Oh, same thing. Like I didn't know that monkey pushed the horses off the log either. You know, you guys had to see that. I didn't even see that.
It
No.
was
That was
cool.
funny.
I didn't get to see it. They told me about it.
Here,
Yeah,
poke
he
him in the
kept
head.
poking it and then pushed it.
But you could tell they had a lot of intelligence. They were curious. Hey, you. Sierra, you were right.
Got him on video.
Awesome. We got to put that on YouTube. Jeff, what's your name, man? I got to email this place. You made this place a lot more fun for us.
My name is Jeff Witt.
Jeff Witt?
If we go up to the Curie or whatever, I can write down my email if you'd like to see.
I would.
Did you catch that on video?
Mhm.
I definitely got to look that up.